In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your default text style for new emails in Gmail. If you're like most people, you probably send several emails each day, so having a default text style that reflects your personal preference or your brand's identity can be really useful. Whether you want a more professional look or something that suits your unique style, this guide will help you customize your emails quickly and easily. First, you'll need to open your Gmail inbox. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll find an icon that looks like a gear. This is the settings icon and it's your gateway to customizing many of Gmail's features. Click on it and a drop down menu will appear. From this menu you'll want to click on See All Settings. This action will take you to a new page where a range of customization options are available. As you find yourself on the settings page, you'll notice several tabs at the top. You should already be on the General tab by default, but if you're not, go ahead and click on it. Now as you scroll down a little, keep an eye out for the section labelled Default Text Style. This is where you'll be able to make your changes. In the Default Text Style section, you'll see the current font being used for your emails. Click on the name of this font and a list of other font options will appear. From this list you can choose a font that best suits what you're going for. Simply click on your preferred font to select it. Remember, choosing a font that's clear and easy to read can make a significant difference for your email recipients. After selecting your desired font, don't forget to scroll down to the bottom of this settings page. You'll see a button labelled Save Changes. It's important to click this button, otherwise all of the adjustments you've just made won't take effect. Once you've clicked on Save Changes, your new default text style will be applied immediately to all future emails that you compose. And there you have it. Anytime you compose a new email, it will automatically use the text style you've just set up. This little tweak can save you a lot of time and ensure your emails always meet your stylistic preferences. Customizing your Gmail settings is a simple yet effective way to enhance your digital communication. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you'll use it to make your email experience even better. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Gmail experience. Thank you for watching and happy emailing.